turned out the way that the things which should not be done in that way, they are happening in that way only. For example, the things that should not be commercialized are the education system, and in my opinion, educational system, and the other thing is providing health facilities. But as it happens, the world turned out to be the bad place where they are happening in a commercial manner. I wanted to join one prep institute for my CAT preparation, and this happened to be my third time writing the CAT exam. So this is very crucial stage of my life, and I didn't want to give it any. I didn't want to leave out any chance. So I don't want to name the other institute. In my mind, I was fixed that I would join that institute like many of the people. But then I was getting messages repeatedly from about the ANC classes or the seminars being taken up by Anil Sir and all. So I thought, why shouldn't I give it a try? It wouldn't be much if I give it a try. I wouldn't be losing much. Thinking about this, I came here. And to be frank, when I came here, there were only 3 people. So I was wondering, I wasted my Saturday. I shouldn't have come here. I should have gone to the other place. What I decided, so many of the thoughts were going inside my head. But then, even though only 3 people were present, as it was promised in the text message, the workshop started at the prescribed time at 9:30, I guess. I don't remember it exactly. And trust me, that was the first impression which made me that I should join this institute. Only that I needed a little push that I should join this institute. And as it turned out, the workshop started at the time that was prescribed, that was promised. And after listening only for 15 minutes, I decided that I should join this institute. And I can tell, laying my hand on my heart, saying that this is the best decision I have taken ever in my life. I don't have enough capacity to describe that. There is something charm or something associated with this thing that something I could not inculcate for my past 24 years of life, punctuality. I happened to inculcate only after in a span of week after joining this institute. I was so arrogant that even if I happened to have a meeting with my DM who is having enormous amount of experience, or I should say that he would be having experience equal to my age, I would attend the meeting late. But after coming here, I don't know if Anil sir, you won't feel like missing out even a single minute by not attending the class. Even if it takes a lot of I adore sleeping. I like sleeping a lot. Even if I have to sacrifice my sleep at any point of time also, I would definitely not miss even a single minute, and I would come here. There is something, sir, it's not easy to change a person who didn't have that particular habit in the past 24 years, and it got changed in only in a 1 week of time. It's not about just punctuality. I'm telling I would like to tell it on a larger scale. Even if only 2 people didn't happen to attend a class, Anil sir will take class only for those 2 people. Seriously, sir, it takes lot of effort for teaching in terms of energy levels, and it requires lot of commitment. People will give up at some point of time. Most of the people will be having ambitions, most of the people will be having zeal to do something, but then as troubles or bunkers come in your way, you will definitely give it up somewhere or the other place. But that is not what you will see it over here. You can learn many things from Anil sir. Sir, please don't mind, I am copying your line. Shamelessly copy everything from Anil sir. I wouldn't say copy selective, I'll say copy everything from Anil sir. We can learn many of the things from him. And I would like to be part of ANC, but may not, if not soon, I would definitely want to be part of ANC in some or the other way.